Long-distance learning. KWQC's Fran Riley says this high-tech interactive approach is a hit with students at Rivermont Collegiate in Bettendorf.
So they actually use this daily.
How are dolphins classified? That's a question for these 7th grade life science students.
It just amazes me that she's all the way in Florida and we can talk to her from here.
We know dolphins are mammals.
From the Dolphin Research Center in Florida, Noelle Belden is involved in webcam technology, sharing her wealth of knowledge about dolphins and whales with students sitting in a classroom miles and miles away.
It's just nice to have someone that has experience in the field of marine biology actually teaching us about it.
The students ask and answer questions linked by live webcam technology to Noelle.
They keep warm by using their blubber.
Exactly.
This technology allows the kids to get a look at the dolphin tail walk or dolphins swimming in a group. Rivermont teacher Jenna McAdams says the live distance learning brings a unique element to the classroom.
It's a virtual field trip, basically, in the sense of we don't have to go anywhere. We can see it right here. She's showing us the videos of their dolphins at their research center doing the same things they would do if we were down there in person.
You may have heard of something called echolocation, which is something whales and dolphins use.
I've wanted to be a marine biologist since, I think, 2nd grade, so that's one of my dreams.
The odontoce's spine is a bit thicker.
They are taking those notes because they are intrigued at what she's saying.
So they're definitely
And can you imagine wanting to be a marine biologist? What better way to get fired up for doing that than having an opportunity like this? Every classroom in that school this year has Skype capabilities as well, so they're going to be doing a lot of long-distance learning, Sharon, as the year progresses, that's for sure.
We're all just sitting here thinking how different classrooms are now than when we were in school. You know, it's so much more interesting for kids to learn like this than to just read it out of a book.
Well, exactly, and that's what we heard from some of the kids yesterday. Another one was telling me, he says, you know, I'm not really big into lectures, so to be able to talk live like this and have pictures sent and just the interaction, the live element of all of this is so neat.
Yeah, and think of the endless possibilities of the guests that could come into the classroom this way and the things that they could show with, you know, I'm thinking if there was a guest from Alcoa, they could actually take the webcam and show some of the machinery or what it takes to run a factory like that, and really the options are limitless.
Yeah, some of the things they talked about yesterday, you know, there are over 80 species of dolphins and whales. Some of these dolphins weigh anywhere from 400 to 600 pounds, and you know, just things that I found fascinating. And that being able to talk to this expert, these dolphins are down in Florida in the Keys is where this Dolphin Research Center is located. So they didn't have to drive or fly down there. They got it right in the classroom.
Well, and they can go anywhere in the world, too. That's what's so cool.
I don't know, Sharon. I'm thinking a field trip to the Keys might be kind of nice.
Yeah, you know, if anybody wants to send us to the Keys,
I'll go study dolphins down there.
We are
I haven't been there in years. Love to go back.